You might think you know everything about caring your philodendron, but this video will surprise you. We are uncovering 5 unexpected reasons your philodendron leaves are turning yellow, plus the science-backed fixes to stop it. So the surprising reason number 1 is too pure water, the hidden deficiency. Are you using distilled or RO water with very low TDS? Sounds healthy, right? But it's too clean. In other words, it's lacking minerals. These types of water may lack magnesium and calcium, which are critical for chlorophyll production. Without them, leaves yellow despite perfect light and soil. And the fix to balance this situation? Mix in a pinch of calcium-magnesium solution once a month or alternate with tap water if it's not too hard. Reason number 2. Potting mix that's too airy. Philodendrons love drainage, but there is a catch. Potting mixes with too much perlite or bark can dry out too fast, causing micro-root dehydration. Result? Yellowing lower leaves. Scientific bit. Fine feeder roots collapse without consistent moisture. It's not overwatering, it's underrooting. And the fix? Blend your mix with some moisture-holding coco coir or peat moss to balance water retention and airflow. Reason number 3. Cold drafts at night. Your plant might be cozy during the day, but if nighttime temperatures dip below 59, cell walls begin breaking down. This interrupts nutrient flow and triggers, you guessed it, yellowing. Science check. Cold stress lowers the plant's ability to transport nitrogen, affecting leaf color and structure. First they turn yellow and then black. And here's the fix. Keep your plant away from AC vents, windows or any cold air hitting the leaves. Reason number 4. Invisible light stress. Too little, too strong. Even shade lovers need light. If your philodendron is in a corner with less than 100 lux for most of the day, it's basically starving. The science? Photosynthesis slows below a certain threshold, especially in winter. With less chlorophyll being used, leaves yellow and drop. And the fix is, move it closer to a bright, indirect light, or supplement with a grow light for 8 to 10 hours a day. Reason number 5. Salt buildup from fertilizer. Even organic ones. Fertilizer is not always your friend. Salts accumulate in the soil even from organic feeds, locking out essential nutrients like potassium and iron. The result? Interveinal chlorosis and overall yellowing. And the science? Salts cause osmotic stress. Water flows out of the roots instead of in, mimicking drought. And here's the fix. When the soil is dry, water it thoroughly until it drains. Then water again to flush out the salt buildup. Do this once a month. Yellow leaves are not always about watering or light. These 5 surprising causes can sneak up on even experienced plant parents. But now, you have got the science and your philodendron's future just got a lot greener. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.